there's a lot of diverse career fields that go into the civil engineering program.
Civil engineering here in the Air Force encompasses architects, civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, housing privatization,
community planners, interior designers,
staff biologists, real property officers. We have people that manage space and do computer management.
Natural resource management is part of civil engineering. We need an archaeologist, we need historians.
I'm a biologist that gets to carry a gun.
It's a whole nother world, airport firefighting. Not only do you have F-16s, C-130s, all kinds of aircraft that you get to protect. You have the flight line, you have live munitions.
A healthy beach protects the facilities at the installation from the effects of storm surge and storm damage. A healthy beach also helps us to go ahead and maintain populations of endangered sea turtles.
We have 11 threatened and endangered species. Most of what I do is looking after the conservation of wildlife on the Cape.
You can come here and you can work projects with sand, you can go over to Germany and you can do something entirely different. The choice is up to you, but you have so many options when you come to work in the Air Force.
I do get to work on the cutting edge of technology. These solar trackers will track the sun from sun up to sundown.
We just recently completed the design and construction of a $250 million project. Had I been working in the private industry, I don't foresee myself as ever being involved in a project that large. I would go home and I didn't even know who to call when I'd get home. Trying to tell somebody, guess what I got to work on today?
I'm an architect. I was able to get registered a lot faster. I was able to do design work. I have room to grow.
You never know what you're going to encounter every day you come to work. You never know if you're going to be doing sea turtle surveys or if I'm going to be doing a controlled burn.
65 to 70% of the architects downtown are unemployed. Here I am working and being able to do what I do best.
The biggest benefits that I see in the Air Force that will outweigh the private industry is mainly job stability and the career path that is clearly defined.
Switching from military to civilian was an easier transition because here in the civilian world, they let us do our job because we're professionals.
I get the sense of pride of being able to protect those guys that go out and sacrifice their lives.
Part of my job here is to support the military by being back here keeping this installation running when they're deploying. Sitting here at the gateway to space, launching rockets is part of my daily job. I mean, where else do you get to go ahead and show up to work in the morning and see an Atlas V take off?
You're going to get as much out of it as you put into it. It was everything I dreamed of, actually.
It's just a great place to work.
It's been a great career and it's given me plenty of opportunities.
I'm honestly excited to come to work every day. In the end, it's very rewarding.
My name's Don George. I'm a natural resource manager.
I'm John Ryan Smith and I'm a firefighter.
I'm Mabel O'Quinn. I'm a biological scientist and conservation law enforcement officer.
Patrick Janeski. I'm the Chief of Asset Management.
My name's Doug Fitzpatrick. I'm the Deputy Base Civil Engineer.
I'm Ryan Schlosser. I'm a design manager and project architect.